do anything. So how's everyone doing? Everyone is good?
Yes.
Yeah, so what do you think how you did in your exam? So I will call some names, okay? Who is okay? Most of the people answered the questions in the same way, okay? And no one has answered few questions correctly. So let me share my screen with you for the questions so you know. So these were the questions, right? First question, most of the people got it right. That it is the linear graph, right? Second question, also most of the people got it right. That it is, these are variables. Third question, also most of the people got it right. That it is means numbering. Fourth question, no one got it right. I asked, my question was not how to save it. My question was how to save it as a either GIF or picture. So you had to say that you, when you go to the save as, then you select, that is thing. Everyone said that, save as. When you go to save as, then you select the option. You have to save it as a GIF or picture. And then it will ask you current slide or all slides. Then you will say current slide. Then it will save only that slide as a picture. It will not save it as a PowerPoint. So no one got it right. Fifth question, also no one got it right. When saving as a picture, it asks you also whether you like to save it with transparent. There is one option always. You want to save it as a transparent background or no. If you select transparent background, then there will be no background of the picture and it will be saved as a transparent background. So these two questions, no one got it right. Third question was very simple. 0.80, it should be greater than 0.80. Most of the people said smaller than 0.80. It should be always greater than 80%. So then the coefficient is good. So it is 50-50. Half of the people said this and half of the people said this. Now, this is most of the people got it right. And this was the question number 8. Also, most of the people got it right. Question number 9 was very simple. What are the Times New Roman, Comic Sans, and Calibri called in Microsoft Office? It was the simplest question. These are called as fonts. That's it. You know, you go to the font. These are actually fonts. So no one actually got this right too. Question number 10, most of the people got it right. Question number 11, also most of the people got it right. 12 also was okay. 13 was okay too. Recording was also okay. And 15 was also okay. So technically, there were some questions like question number 4, 5, and 6 that most like 4 and 5, no one got it right. Question number 6, 50% got it right. And which other question was that? It's this question. So most of the people answered for question number 8 that it is called as desktop. It is saved on the desktop. It is like it. You can find it on the desktop. You can call it a computer desktop, but it is not your computer desktop. It is called as your Microsoft desktop, you can say. But because your computer desktop is something like this. This is your computer desktop, right? So anyway, I take it the computer desktop as a correct too, though it is Microsoft desktop, right? And this question, no one got it wrong, right? I mean, this is simply a fonts, basically they are called as. And okay, the rest of the questions were okay for all of you. Now there is one person who got maximum questions right. Like out of 10, let me check it again if he or he got 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Who is this person? The person's name is, okay, I have to go back. I am sorry if I cannot pronounce it correctly, okay? So you have to correct me. As far as practical presentations are concerned, so everyone has done, like there were 3 groups for practical presentations and all 3 groups have done good job, okay? So now who is this person? 𝐴𝐐𝐻𝐾𝐲. Can you please let me know if I'm pronouncing the name correctly? Actually, you are muted. So let me type in the chat box the name of the person. Who? I will resume.
Hello, Noin.
I can see that you guys are back now.
Yes, we are having a connectivity challenge.
Recording in progress.
It's okay. So I was just saying, going to say the name of the student. Please correct me if I'm pronouncing it correctly. The name of the student is 𝐴𝐐𝐻𝐾𝐲. How to pronounce the name? Can someone tell me?
Come and pronounce the name well for her.
Who is 𝐴𝐐𝐻𝐾𝐲? Who is that person?
She's coming.
She is coming. Okay. Hello, hello. So she got the maximum right. She got 10 questions right out of 15. So you are basically the winner, 𝐴𝐐𝐻𝐾. And you will get a small gift from me. I will send you, I will talk with your teacher how to send you the gift. Your group presentation was also good. So what I will do, I will send one small gift for you and one small gift for everyone to celebrate. You can buy some treats like a cake or a pastry or some snacks, and you all can eat together. And one small gift will be only for 𝐴𝐻𝐾𝐲. Okay. So you got 10 right. 10 questions were right out of 15. Well, that's very impressive. And I'm very happy for you. And there are many other students also who did a good job. Like there were many students who got 8 questions right, 7 questions right, 9 questions right. But of course, it was you got the 10 maximum out of 15. So I will communicate with Isaac and also with Maureen, and I will see how to send you the gift. Okay. You are happy now?
Yes.
And for the rest of the students, you can have some party from me. You can buy some cake or some pastries and snacks and have it, okay?
Yes.
It will be good, right?
All right, all right, all right, all right.
Okay.
Thanks so much.
Any other comment you guys have or any questions you guys have?
Yeah, so after this one, what happens next?
Yeah, after this, we were going to start the business management one. I was thinking we can start those in March. Let me see, give me 1 second. I have to check in my calendar because in March, I am going to do some night work at lab. So let me see in my calendar here. What are the dates? Okay. So 11th of March. So let's resume our sessions for business management from 14th of March, if possible. So we can resume our sessions from 14th of March for business management. For children, for students, I'm not sure if which type of the sessions you would like to have more for them. I will talk with Maureen and I will see if we have to just wrap up and write the reports and present it so that we can start getting something for King's Village Khana. Okay. So let's have a meeting, but for business management, we can resume from 13th of March. I think I said 14th of March, right? So from 14th of March, we will resume sessions for business management for Ghana. Okay.
Okay.
Who is this person who is just having lollipop in mouth? Who is this person?
So meaning we will resume on the 14th of March for both teachers and students, right?
Yeah, okay, we can do both. So let's do from 14th of March because until 13th, I will be having my night shifts. So I cannot do it very early morning then, you know.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah. Until
So
then.
till then, I wish all of you the very best and I hope you all stay healthy and safe. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon, okay? And bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.